You guys can see everything is nice and shiny. Y'all see it. Best detailer in the world.
Boom, the second trade that I said that I'm not gonna take, we ended up.
Y'all see over here with the boys and shit. We working out.
Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back to another day in the life. My name is John Trades, up and coming YouTuber, up and coming day trader, and up and coming entrepreneur. Today is Monday. Today's a brand new week. It's been 3 weeks since I've been trading demo and 3 weeks of profitability. Maybe 1 week was a L week, but the last 2 weeks were profitable. So this week, hopefully we can start off with a good week, with a good profitable week. And then by the end of the week, by the end of this month, we should be on a prop firm funded challenge again. Anyway, I don't want to keep you guys here too long, so let's just get right into the trading session. Market hasn't even opened yet. It's only 9:27. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's only 9:27. So we're gonna let market do whatever they gotta do. Right now, what's it called? The bias is in the air right now. We have a bit of consolidation on the higher time frame. You guys can see this big range. Maybe around 10. We can break out of this range and go one way. Maybe we should continue higher, maybe. But as of right now, bias is in the air, so I'm not even gonna pay attention too much on the daily bias. I'm just gonna see what price is giving me and react off what price is giving me. All right, so we are in the higher time frames. It is about to be 9:50. It is 9:50, and on the higher time frames, we can see that we have liquidity sweep of these two highs here. We did sweep up these two highs here, and we are heading back down. Like I said, I do hold my hands till 10, but through 9:50 and 10:10 is a macro to trade on, so that can be a good macro to trade. But listen, I like this setup. We had a liquidity sweep. We're getting breaks of structure down. We're getting like basically a market structure shift. I want to see price get back into this gap, or even we can look for high time frame gaps, like even this 5-minute gap when it forms. As in right now though, we are looking bearish. We swept this area of 1 hour liquidity, came up, came down. We got this mark out here. I low-key want to take this trade off of this one, but only time will tell. You know what I'm saying? We don't want to rush anything. We want a candle close out of this. Let me see how much ticks it would be if I get in here. 50 ticks. That would be a good trade for me to take. So yeah, so if we get a bearish close out of this, we're taking that trade. This is why we wait for a candle close bearish out of it, because let's say I got in now, I would have been in drawdown like crazy. I would have already almost hit my stop loss. So that's why I wait for what's it called, a bearish close out of it. So right now we're just patiently waiting for a candle close out of it. If it gets disrespected, then it gets disrespected. We gotta wait till 10 after that. But we have 20 seconds on this candle, so it's looking like we might get disrespected here. But if we respect this, that's a good indication that we are going lower. Looking like we did reject off this little gap as well, but it closed above the gap and then it came down. So I'm really not gonna take that as a trade, because there's no point of risking. I mean, it looks like we're going down. Like obviously I'm probably gonna miss out on this trade, but there's another trade opportunity setting up right here. If you guys can see, low resistance liquidity gets taken, we get a move down, we get a break of structure. If we can get a gap left behind, we can obviously, yeah, but there's no gap left behind. You know what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna wait till 10 like I usually do. I wanted to see if I can trade through 9:50 to 10:10, but we're gonna wait till 10 because price is still chopping around and stuff, doesn't know what it wants to do. I think we're creating a little bit of a range here, so yeah, we'll just see what it does. It's looking like we might get this trade. We have 30 seconds on this candle. Maybe I want to enter off early before I miss out on this trade. Yeah, okay, we are in. 50 ticks is here above this right here, and we are in. A 1-to-1, I don't like that 1-to-1, so I am gonna go all the way down here and target this low here. But yeah, we are in. I was not gonna wait till it closed because it's gonna close down here and that would have been a later entry. But yeah, we are in this trade. Even though this is a demo, emotions can still play a big part because of the red and green. So what I am going to do, someone in my comments, thank you for telling me this, someone in my comments told me change my candles to black because red is makes you tweak, I guess, I don't know. But I am gonna change my candles to black. The body, does that work? Yeah. All right. I bet. See, I already feel better. I don't even feel like, I ain't gonna lie, it does work. It does work. So, Jesus, we might get stopped out. No, please. All right, so we should be good though. If our initial entry was here, we would have been so close to stop loss. But our initial entry was here when I got in. So we have a little bit of more room to let this trade breathe. Get stopped out. All right, so we took a big L. No, I'm playing. We took a L. I'm not too worried about it. You know, usually this trade usually does play out, but as you guys can see, I did follow my rules. I did follow everything, but if you guys can see, I did mark out low resistance liquidity at 950. I usually mark it out after 950. So this would have been the low resistance liquidity that I wanted to get disrespected. But you know what I'm saying? We had no news. We had no reason to wait till 10. Maybe I should have waited till 10. I don't know. This trade I would have took after 10 when I told you guys that I'm not going to take another trade, but I am going to see how this trade plays out. I am not placing this trade. I would have been off the charts, but I want to see if this trade would play out. This trade was the ideal trade that I would have took, not this trade around here, because it was during the 10 a.m. open. So this would have been the trade I would have took out this mini fair value gap, crazy mini fair value gap. But right now we're in consolidation. Right now, look at the heat map. We see that sellers are stronger than buyers right now. But as of right now, I'm pretty sure this trade would play out. This is not gonna count as my a winning day. I did lose on a day, but I just want to see how this trade plays out. So don't think I'm placing this trade and calling myself, oh, I won on a day. I lost on a day. This is just me experimenting after. So boom, the second trade that I said that I'm not gonna take, we ended up coming so close to TP. So we might hit this trade. This is the ideal trade that I wanted to take. So now I know for future reference. I knew this before, but I should wait after 10. You know, I was going off confluences before 10 and I should have waited after 10. And look, we would have had a beautiful trade, a little bit of drawdown here, but we would have had a beautiful trade. We still haven't won yet. Maybe we can get edged and go the other way, but it would have a beautiful trade straight down into profit. Look at the heat map. It's all doing good, but yeah, I mean, it is what it is. We would have had a beautiful trade. Hopefully we don't, you know what I'm saying, we don't go back into drawdown or anything. We can win this trade, but this doesn't even count for real for me. But yeah, and I was talking about funded. So this week would be the official week that I've been trading for a month on demo, and so far the month has been profitable. Okay, I'm not talking about money profitable, I'm talking about trade profitable. So I've been winning more than I've been losing. If this week goes good, we should get on a funded by the end of the next week. So it should be like around March 20th, around there. So we should get on a funded around there. Once we're on a funded, it's the same thing, same rules, same concept, same everything. It's no over trading, one trade per day, no over leveraging, none of that. Straight rules, you know what I'm saying? Keep following everything, stay disciplined. I got a lot of things to do today. I have to clean my car. Today's basically a reset day. I gotta shave my whole face. I know there's no facial hair you guys see here, but there's like a little bit. It's just like little things that bother me. So I gotta shave this little mustache. I know you guys can barely see it, but I don't like any hair here. We gotta shave my whole face. We gotta clean my room. I gotta clean the bathroom. I gotta clean my clothes. I gotta just, you know, it's basically a whole reset day. But I'm not gonna bore you guys with obviously me cleaning everything. But yeah, we'll see what I'll do for the video, and let's just get right into our day. So I just put up to the vacuum spot. I gotta vacuum my car real quick. Gotta clean out this car. I got pasta back here that I need to take out, but besides that, I'm gonna vacuum this car. I'm gonna go detail this car. I'm gonna steam clean this car. I'm gonna do everything. Today's a full detail. Today's a full, like I said, like my Sunday is work day and my Monday is like my reset day. So gotta do a whole bunch of shit today. Vacuum up and everything. Got this shit all nice and done. I got the mats in the back because I gotta do a lot of stuff. I still gotta detail this car, so I'm about to head home now. Smoke machine and everything. So this is about to be a spotless. It's about to be spotless as hell. I'm about to start off with this door and then make my way in. You guys can see everything is nice and shiny. Y'all see it?
Best detailer in the world.
Finishing the car and everything. Just got back home. My camera cut off, so that's why the camera, like the last clip was just weird. But right now we are editing this video now. And yeah, I'm low-key tired. I low-key want to take a nap. And I might take a nap. But we're going to edit this video now. Get this out for you guys. And then later we're going to head to the gym. To the LA Fitness. Just we go to the gym. I am recording on my phone because I have to leave my camera at home. Yeah, but we are here. I'm about to get a nice workout in and everything. But yeah, I don't know how the audio is. I don't know how the camera quality is. I don't know anything right now, but we about to head to the gym. Waiting for my boys in the car over there. But yeah, I'm gonna see you guys when I see you. Y'all see how we here with the boys and shit. We're working out everything. We're hitting chest real quick. And then we're gonna hit shoulders and triceps and then cardio and then we out of here. We is back on the camera. We are back home and everything. We finished up the gym and everything. So this is gonna be the end of the day. I'm gonna record tomorrow for you guys. Oh my God, today is Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday, so I'll be recording tomorrow. And if you guys enjoyed, please subscribe, like, and comment. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.